Chiropractic care focuses on your spine. It impacts your entire body. Your spine houses your nervous system. Your nervous system controls everything in your body. Chiropractic adjustments are very precise. They are gentle movements. They are applied to the vertebrae in your spine. Adjustments help restore proper alignment. Adjustments reduce nerve interference. This allows your body to heal naturally. A chiropractic adjustment is a targeted force. The chiropractor applies it with their hands. Sometimes they use a small instrument. The adjustment is applied to a specific vertebra. When a vertebra is misaligned, it's called a subluxation. Subluxations can cause pain and dysfunction. The adjustment corrects the subluxation. Adjustments improve nervous system function. They improve communication throughout your body. They help your body function at its best. Chiropractic adjustments offer many benefits. One of the most well-known is pain relief. It can be back pain. It can be neck pain. It can be headaches. Chiropractic can improve your posture. Adjustments reduce joint stiffness. Adjustments increase range of motion. Chiropractic care is a holistic approach to health. It supports your body's natural ability to heal. Chiropractic care works well with other natural therapies. Acupuncture is one example. Acupuncture uses thin needles. The needles are inserted at specific points. This stimulates energy flow. Both chiropractic and acupuncture address the body's energy. They promote balance and harmony. They are powerful tools. They can be used together. By combining these modalities, patients can experience profound healing. It is healing on a physical level. It is healing on an emotional level. It is healing on a mental level.